Luxury cars are supposed to offer the best comfort, technology, and performance. But some of them, they'll burn a hole in your pocket without giving you the luxury you paid for. What if I told you that some $80,000 plus cars dollars are more headache than horsepower? Today, I'm breaking down 5 luxury cars that look premium but are hiding problems you don't want to deal with. Smash that like button if you value your wallet and hit subscribe to Zero to Dream for more brutally honest car reviews. Number 1. Maserati Gibli. On the surface, the Maserati Gibli is a head-turner. Italian styling, Ferrari DNA, and that iconic Trident badge. But beneath the badge, it's a maintenance nightmare. The Maserati Gibli, while stylish and powerful, has faced criticism for reliability issues, cheap interior materials, and high maintenance costs. Some owners have reported issues with the infotainment system, interior trim, and overall build quality, which may not meet the expectations set by the luxury brand and its price point. Common problems and criticisms. Reliability. The Gibli has a reputation for unreliability, with issues ranging from electrical glitches to mechanical problems. Interior quality. The interior materials and build quality have been criticized for being subpar compared to competitors in the same price range, with some components resembling those found in lower-priced vehicles. High maintenance costs. Maserati ownership is known for its high maintenance and repair costs, potentially exceeding those of other luxury brands. Steering wheel. The offset steering wheel can obstruct the driver's view of the instrument cluster, particularly the rev counter. Brake system. The high-performance brakes can wear out quickly, leading to squeaking or the need for early replacement. Verdict. You're paying exotic car prices for average quality and a badge that can't back up the hype. Number 2. Jaguar XF. The Jaguar XF is beautiful, sleek, and loaded with British charm. But charm doesn't keep you off the side of the road. The Jaguar XF, while offering a compelling blend of luxury and performance, has faced some criticism regarding reliability. Common issues include electrical system glitches like infotainment malfunctions and door lock problems, particularly in earlier models. Diesel models have also experienced issues with the diesel particulate filter, DPF, leading to costly repairs. Furthermore, some owners have reported issues with fuel leaks, airbag deployment, and turbocharger failure. Specific problem areas: electrical system. Infotainment glitches, warning lights, and door lock failures are frequently cited. Diesel particulate filter, DPF. Malfunctions requiring expensive repairs are common in diesel models. Fuel leaks. Some models have experienced fuel leaks due to chafing fuel lines. Airbag issues. A software update is needed for some models to ensure airbags deploy correctly. Turbocharger failure. Some owners have reported turbocharger failure, especially in diesel engines. Timing chain issues. Early 2-liter diesel and petrol engines had timing chain issues, though these were often resolved under warranty. Verdict. Unless you're collecting breakdown stories, skip the XF. Number 3. BMW 7 Series. The 7 Series was supposed to be BMW's tech and luxury flagship. Instead, it's more like a tech beta test with a 6-figure price tag. The BMW 7 Series, while known for luxury and performance, does have some common problems that owners should be aware of. These include engine oil leaks, potential issues with the V8 engine, particularly in older models, and various electronic and mechanical components that can be prone to failure. Additionally, the 7 Series can be expensive to maintain and repair, especially as it ages. Common problems: engine oil leaks. A common issue is oil leakage, often around the oil pan gasket, requiring frequent top-ups. V8 engine problems. The N63 V8 engine, particularly in older models, has been associated with issues like coolant leaks, injector contamination, and carbon buildup. Electronic and mechanical issues. Electronics, sensors, and actuators can be prone to failure, leading to costly repairs. Exhaust leaks. Exhaust leaks can occur, especially in the G11 750Li model, causing noise and performance issues. Air suspension problems. The air suspension can be a weak point, particularly in older models. In summary, while the BMW 7 Series offers a luxurious experience, potential owners should be aware of the common problems and high maintenance costs associated with this model. A thorough inspection and careful consideration of the engine and model year are crucial before purchasing. Number 4. Infiniti QX80. This full-size luxury SUV is bold, brash, and bizarre. The Infiniti QX80 looks premium from afar, but once you drive it, reality kicks in. The Infiniti QX80 has some common problems reported by owners, including issues with the air suspension, transmission, and electrical system. Some owners also experience discomfort with the seats due to a lack of bolstering and issues with the transmission shifting, particularly when using cruise control on inclines. Common problems. Air suspension. Air suspension failures, leaks, and improper ride height maintenance are frequently reported, leading to a bumpy ride and uneven tire wear. Transmission. Rough shifting, delayed engagement, and, in some cases, complete transmission failure have been noted. Electrical issues, battery drain, and faulty sensors are reported, with some owners experiencing issues with sensors even under warranty. In conclusion, the Infiniti QX80 offers a comfortable and luxurious driving experience, but potential owners should be aware of the reported issues, particularly with the air suspension, transmission, and electrical systems. Proper maintenance and addressing issues promptly can help mitigate some of these problems and ensure a longer lifespan for the vehicle. Verdict: it's big and flashy, but offers old-school luxury at new-school prices. A tough sell. Number 5. Tesla Model X. Now this one might be controversial, but hear me out. The early Tesla Model X was futuristic, yes, but also deeply flawed. The Tesla Model X has received mixed reviews regarding its reliability and build quality. While owners often praise its performance, unique features like the Falcon Wing doors and smooth ride, many have also reported issues with build quality, reliability, and service experiences. Some common problems include paint imperfections, misaligned panels, door malfunctions, including the Falcon Wing doors, and various squeaks and rattles. Additionally, some owners have reported experiencing issues with the air suspension, rain-sensing wipers, and software glitches. Common problems, build quality, panel gaps, and trim issues, misaligned panels, and loose trim are frequently cited, particularly around the doors and fenders. Paint defects, chipped paint, and debris under the paint on delivery are common issues. Falcon Wing door problems, misalignment, and scratching. The Falcon Wing doors have been reported to scratch the paint on the inner door frame and have issues with proper opening and closing, sometimes opening on obstacles despite sensors. Leaks. Some owners have experienced leaks after the Falcon Wing doors have been disassembled and adjusted. Service experience, long wait times. Some owners have reported long wait times for service appointments and difficulty getting issues resolved. Unreliable features. Some owners feel the car's features, like the self-driving capabilities, are not dependable. Overall, while the Tesla Model X offers a unique and exciting driving experience with its performance, features, and spaciousness, it's important to be aware of the potential reliability and build quality issues. Potential buyers should carefully consider the reported problems and factor in the possibility of needing to bring the car in for service multiple times. Verdict: unless you're buying new or under warranty, early Model X units are risky and overpriced. Luxury should feel effortless. It should pamper you, not punish your wallet. These cars might have the badge, the looks, or even the horsepower, but when you dig deeper, they're not worth your hard-earned cash. Have you driven any of these? Agree or disagree? Let me know in the comments. And what car burned your wallet the worst? If you want real car reviews without the hype, hit that subscribe button. We drop honest breakdowns of the best and worst cars every week. Like, share, and drive smart. Right here on 02 Dream.